Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming prerequisites: Bgmi closed, active subscription, and your smart DNS address is copied. Now open Android settings and tap Network and Internet. Once done, long press the Wi-Fi network you use, choose Modify Network, and select Advanced Options so you can change IP settings to static. Make sure to note your original DNS values before replacing them. This gets you immediately into configuration. Don't skip copying the original DNS so you can revert if needed. You now configure the DNS fields directly. Set IP settings to static, but reuse your phone's current IP, gateway, and prefix length so connectivity stays intact. Enter the smart DNS provider's DNS1 and DNS2 exactly as given, then tap Save. Once saved, reconnect the Wi-Fi and clear Bgmi app cache so the game queries the new DNS. Make sure to perform the provider's DNS test or use a DNS check app to confirm your device resolves through the smart DNS. You're in the final stretch. Open Bgmi and test gameplay, matchmaking, and any region-specific access. If the game still blocks or shows network errors, try a DNS flush by toggling airplane mode for 10 seconds or rebooting the phone, then relaunch Bgmi. Make sure to check that no VPN or proxy is active, because that can conflict with smart DNS. If problems persist, revert to your original DNS settings and contact your smart DNS provider support. They can check account routing or suggest alternate DNS addresses.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.